Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to edit YouTube thumbnail with the help of Canva. I know you guys have been looking for a way to edit your YouTube thumbnail with the help of Canva. You have been looking for app to use to edit. This app is very simple for new beginner. If you have not edited before, it will be very easier, and I've provided a step-by-step tutorial to guide you to. So watch till the end. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, don't forget to stay and watch to the end. So let's dive into the video. The first thing you need to do is to head to your Apple Store or Play Store and download the app called Canva. This is the app, Canva. You'll get it on your Apple Store or Play Store. Download this app. That is the first thing you do. Then the second thing you do is to snap a pic pointing by your left or right or looking towards camera direction. Let me show you how. Snap a pic like this or this or this, and make sure that you are standing at the white background to make it easier for you. So when you are done with that, then make sure that you have this app called BG Eraser. Make sure that you download this app. You can get it on your Android, that is on your Play Store or Apple Store. So when you are done, head to the BG Eraser, and ads will reflect before I
There is a reason why your storage is always
ads. You can see these ads. I have to wait for it to finish, then I will remove it. Then I can edit free picture. So all I need to do is to select one of these pieces that I snap, pointing by my left or right, looking towards a camera. Select one. You can see they already auto remove the former background. Then you save it this way. Save. Then you are done with this. You head back to Canva. Then open your Canva. Then all you need to do is sign in with your Google or log in with your email if you already have the app. Then all you need to do is to search for the template YouTube thumbnail, which I've already did. And you can see this in for it to make use of the pro version, you have to subscribe. So and you can get some offers. So all I need to do is to look for a video that matches with my tutorial thumbnail. This is already edited thumbnail. All you need to do is to re-edit the items, which I'm going to guide you guys to. You can see the one that is pro, so already indicated here. The one that is for free, you won't see this icon on it. So I'm going to make use of this. So let's edit together. The first thing I'll do is to highlight this Hummer, replace it with the one that I've already used BG background to change, which is I'll select it, click cancel. Okay, you can see that I've already replaced it with that piece. All you need to do is to use your hand to resize it well. Use your hand to resize it well. You can see you are done with this. The next thing I'll do is to edit this light up. So you highlight it, click on it to highlight, then click on edit, clean this off, then input your title, how to edit thumbnail, or how to edit YouTube thumbnail. With Canva. Don't worry, we are getting there. Then you can see I'm done inputting the light up. So all I need to do is to rearrange it, and it will still be in highlights. So you click on font size, then reduce it for it to line well. You can see what I did. Want it to be bolder, increase it, backward, decrease. So if you want this to be in another font size, you click on font size. If you want this to be in another font style, click on font, select another font. But I love this. This is more bold. And select any font of your choice from here. Let me make use of this. So the next thing I will do is to highlight the second one and re-edit it. Or should I re-edit it? Okay. Let me redo it back. Okay, highlight it. Highlight the second one. Then click edit. Then clean this off. Input full tutorial 2026. You can see how it is. The next thing you need to do is to input the logo of the app that you are using to edit this Canva. So all I need to do is to click on go to my Safari or Chrome, download the app called Canva, search for it, you download it, then you head back to your BG, use it to change the background and save it the same way you did the other one. Then you head back to your Canva, then you click on camera roll, you then select it. If you are not seeing this option, they will provide you where you select this. I've already removed the background, so I have to add it to page. You can see how I did it. So all I need to do is to click and drag it out. Hold on, click, drag this out. Then you can use your hand to resize the canvas size it well to make it you look clean. So you can see how I did it. Now you are good to go. All you need to do next is to save your work. So let's see the edit. This is the result. You can see we were able to edit this within few minutes. And that is it. That is how to edit YouTube thumbnail with the help of Canva. If this video was very helpful for you, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video.